Yeah, they're basically the same. The 635 CSI has the same kind of front end. It's the M30 engine, right? And that M30 engine was put in everything, like everything BMW had, the 3.5 litre. It was like a 3.2, then a 3.5. But it's like a fairly solid straight six. But the only big difference in this, if you look at all the lowering kits, the coilovers, all the suspension stuff, it's the same as the 5 Series. But the E28, so that's an E24, the 5 Series an E28. But the big difference with these ones is, because you were saying about the front there, because they put in so much sheet metal into the front of them, the suspension's obviously a lot. Like, you can see how much it bounces on the springs when you just push it. And if you straighten it up, it'll go even more, because it's on lock there, but it just bounces. You buy from sound people as well. The guy, Lyle, this guy in Scotland, owns West End Motors, and him and his buddy that own the garage basically are mad into cars. And they take on certain trade-ins and cars, and he put a ton of money into it. All the arches, all the rears done. Yeah, like you see all this is replaced, brand new. All new door sections put in. All the front end is redone. But there's cruise control and everything like. So that's in every BMW 80, so that's your check lights. So when you start your car, every time you turn your key, it's gonna ask you for your brake lights to be checked. So that checks all the things. So it'll say check until you press the pedal, which checks the brakes, and the brakes are done, that's the brake light off. So if one of these lights up, you have an issue. Coolant's the only thing I've had since I got it, and I just topped it up and it went straight away. These cars are cool to drive around the city in terms of like just cruising slow, but actually where they're the most fun is on the open road.